Hey YouTube, just received my brand new winter mag wheels for my Silverado 2020. These are Henvai Elite, size 18 by 8, bolt pattern 6 by 139.7, offset of 25. They are made black, and let's see how they look. Okay, what's in here? Some rings. For now, I don't know what's the use of this, but okay, here are the lug nut. Oh, that's the socket, and these are the lug nuts. Okay. Okay, wait. I'm gonna go get my tripod because can't do this with one hand. Okay, so now I can use my two hands. Get it out of the box. Moving the bag. This is a plastic ring. Oh. Nice protector, and here they are. I think they look pretty good. Sorry for the lighting, but hey. So I think they're gonna look good on my 2020 Silverado. Let's see. Okay. Henvai Elite, yeah, you saw everything on the package before. Let's see in the back. That's how they look in the back. I'll try to show you everything that is stamped on the mag. Okay, so here, as you can see, this is the offset. You can see the 2 and the 5. Here, I don't know what it means. Here is the size 18 by 8 JJ. This hem, I don't know what it is. Here it's a C. Here you have the max load. So that is how they look. I was not sure, but hey, seeing them now, I like it. So stay tuned for how they look on the truck very soon. Okay, so here is how they look on the truck now. These are winter tires. So this is how they look.